What is up, everyone? It's Matt. That's right. Matt's back with some more Pokemon stuff. It only took a month, but we're back now. And we have 2 booster boxes of Unified Minds. I know, it's an old set. It's from Sun and Moon. Now they got the other one out now. I can't remember the name of it. Watching videos on it too. Anyways, that's going to annoy me, so we'll figure out the name. But anyways, that's what I got. They're on sale, so I figured, you know what the heck, let's grab some Unified Minds. Honestly, I haven't opened Unified Minds in ages. It has been quite a while. Almost longer than I've uploaded a video. And I'm surprised people have stuck around, so if you have stuck around while I've been away for the last month, thank you. Very much appreciated. So hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully everybody's, keeping safe and all that other kind of good stuff. So what we're going to do is slowly pull this up. And we're just going to do one side, and then do another video doing the other side, and then more videos on the next one. That is right. I'm going to milk this for all it is worth. At least I'm honest. At least I'm telling you. And the reason why is because I don't have anything else on order, and ordering stuff right now is not really a pain, but it just, it's not exactly easy. With everything going on, move this mat a little bit. There, that works, kind of, sort of. Who knows? Okay. Anyways, let's get right into this. So you might be asking yourself, how does that? Hey, do you forget how to open up packs? Well, when you've been gone for a month, you rip the pack apart and it doesn't open properly. So that's how. So you're probably wondering, where the heck have I been? I've just been working lots. When they change your shift all willy-nilly. I do security work, and usually I work an afternoon shift, and then they switched it to a late night shift. And so yeah, it just wasn't working for me. And what do we got here? We have something. What is it? Ooh, nice. It is a Sableye and a Tyranitar. Very sweet. And an energy card. I think the energy card is much better than this card. That's pretty cool, though. Very nice. I do not think I have that one. I'll put you right there. Energy card go up there, and trainer card, and the code cards. We'll give them away, but it's gonna be in a different way than normal. Not just gonna flash it up right now and be like, hey, look, there's a code card. Nope. Watch throughout the video, and they'll be at certain points in the video. Maybe they'll float through the screen. Maybe they'll just magically appear. Just like how sleeves magically appear. I'm going to try to find the right ones for Unified Minds. There we go, we found them. The only thing is I don't have a lot of them. There's quite a bit of them for just normal cards. Well, normal cards. Cards that I put in my binder for my collection of full arts and stuff like that. That's where they went to. Which is bad. Well, as long as they're being protected, right? In you go. That's not bad. First pack, first pull. Pretty decent, if I don't say so myself. Okay. Oh wow, I have not done this in so long. I'm so rusty. It's amazing how rusty you can get from opening up packs. That's right, I forgot how to open up packs. Are those on center? Okay, those are kind of on center. Dew butter, a walking key, cluster, a fairy energy, right? Yes. Recycle energy. Recycle energy is energy, but I'll put it there though. Is it still? Yeah, it's still a numbered card. Okay, so I'll need for the client. I can't talk right now. Oh, well, I guess you get that go card. We need to remember to put these off to the side. Come on, there we go. All right. So, code card off to the side. Litwick, Dilber. So, how has everybody been? Is everybody doing all right? Are you doing anything crazy during this need to stay at home till everything passes? Yeah, so what's everybody doing? Me, like I say, just working. Classified as an essential service, so yeah. Really have no choice. Unless become infected and then I'll need to stay home. Which hopefully that doesn't happen. I don't want it, don't want anything to do with it, don't want to be sick. Just want to keep on working and keep on doing my thing. Keep on collecting that delicious paycheck so I can spend it on pieces of cardboard with a very cute, look at how cute that is. Cute Pokemon on them. Zygrade. Pretty cool card. Steelix. Energy, go over there. Abominable Snowman. No clue what you are. No clue what you are. Okay, I would say let's try to go faster, but I can't open up packs worth anything. Go card up to the side. Litwick. Cubone. Yeah, man. Mongoose. UV. Another butterfly. Energy. Trainer. Lappy. Another trainer. I can't remember what cards you can pull from this pack. I haven't tried a Unified Minds pack. Like I say, it's been forever and a day. So yeah, hopefully, yeah, you can get good stuff from this, right? I think you can get Mew and Mewtwo. So yeah, we'll find out, hopefully. Hopefully we'll get a lot of cool stuff. If not, that's fine. Oh, what's this? What's this? Is there Dratini? Come on, camera focus. There we go. Sorry about Dratini. And there's something else in behind there. But what is, oh, nice. Full art. That's really cool. That is, yeah. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. Get ourselves a sleeve. Pick it up horribly, drop it. Drop it again. We're just gonna throw this card all over the place. And in you go. That's not bad. 2 pulls and a couple packs. Pretty decent. Energy. Oh, a Dragonair. Dratini and a Dragonair. Nice. A turtle and a trainer. I'm pretty impressed so far. What do you know? I'm again just ripping packs apart. Can't open them up. Worth it. Damn. Worth the dammy damn. Over there. Code card go down there. Dragon guy. A sheep. Sheep wearing a hat. Alright, it's a caterpillar. That's an octopus wearing a weird hat. Scraggly. That's just pretty damn cute. Robot. Ooh, hollow. Water type. You know, water and that Megazone should not go together. They are going to cancel each other out. Well, actually, more of the robot's gonna mess up and fry itself. I'm making no sense right now. It's late. It's almost 1 in the morning when filming this. That's right, I do these really late at night. That way people can't hear me talking. I think I'm just talking to myself, which is alright. Oh, reverse hollow. Lightning energy. Trainer. A lamp. And a mushroom. And we're gonna monster stack of cards already. So many cards. 10 cards per pack. 36 cards in a booster box. 360 cards. 2 booster box. What is that? 420 cards? And I think most of them will be doubles. So that means I'm going to have a lot of bulk. Oh, that's okay. All goes in the shoebox. That's right. I said it. Goes into a shoebox. Sableye. Sandling. And then, usually with all the bulk, once I get up to right around, anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 cards, toss it up on Kijiji, sell it, put the money I sell it for back into the cards, and usually buy myself a booster box. I don't know, some people give it away, some people just keep it, most people just give it away. I'm sorry, I'm not in a position to do that right now. Well, I guess I could, but I want to be able to afford a booster box for free. Well, not really for free, but be able to get myself an extra booster box, say every 2 months. Right, so instead of getting, say, 2 Unified Minds, I get myself a Unified Minds, a Burning Shadows, and then maybe one of the new ones. Okay, give myself 3. Okay, that just didn't open up well at all. Okay, so there's that code card. There we go. It's a crab. It's a Pikachu. Bit of Cosmog. I got you and Pokemon Go. A Drillbur, right? Yeah, something like that. A Scary Bat. Energy. Trainer smashing through some rock. You just look like I have no idea what. This guy here, he's in Pokemon Go now. He's one of the 5-star raids. I have not caught it. At least I think it's that one. Alright, so what do we got here? Magmanite, Fletchling, Onyx, a Birdie, Snover, Magmamort. That's pretty cool. A Licky. Energy goes over there. Hit across. Type null. And you. That's Steam. How many packs do we have? 2, 3, 4. We got 6 packs left. Hopefully we can pull something good. Hopefully. Only one way to find out. Well, let's get through the cards. Let's see. Can we pull something good? What What do you say, Stunfish? What do you say? What do you say? Hey, look at tongue. What do you say? Ooh, a pit of. It's just a Pidgey. At least to me it is. Hope. Whoa, you went into the wrong spot. Hope. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were in energy. Oh, damn. Just abusing stuff. You turn board. And last one. Well, last card from that pack. And next pack. In we go. Ooh, ooh. Litwick, Dilber, the Sloth, and that's Toad from Mario. It's Walking Keys again, that's really scary. Blizzard Town, and oh, I already got you. Yeah, you over there. Still good to pull. Still happy to see a GX. Energy card. Ligatung. You go up there. Tranquil. Electrical. And a stamp. And we'll need a sleep for you. Come on. Come on. Get up here. And in you go. Doop. Right in. Perfect. 4 packs left. 3 packs after this one. Almost done. Latoli. Okay, that was a brown card. Come on, just. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So much. And yes, I am giving away the code cards. Like I say, you should see them floating through the screen. Hopefully, if I remember to edit the video properly. If I forgot to edit the video properly, then just check out my Instagram. That's right, I'm on Instagram. Instagram is... Let me double check real quick to make sure I give it to you right. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yep. It is YT_Mats Pokemon. Off I go. Oh, that won't work at all. What? There you go. There's no information on there, is there? I don't think so. Oh, it looks fine. So yeah, if you want to follow it, feel free. I have more followers on Instagram than I do on my YouTube channel. But I think that's because I'm always giving away code cards on there. I have a monstrous stack, like over probably close to 1,500 code cards that I need to give away because I couldn't get rid of them. So yeah, I try to give out. Well, I keep on. Oh, how many do I give out? I give out 6 at a time, and I try to do it 3 to 4 times a week when I remember, more so. A lot of times I forget. I just, you know, got stuff going on. Can't always remember. Sometimes it's a real pain. Because you want to give away cards, then you forget, then you're at work. You don't have access to anything. It's just like, okay. I'll remember to do it when I get home. And then you forget. Makro. Execute. A Alolan Grimer. Hoot Hoot. Squid wearing hat again. Lucario. Fire. Monkey. Energy Trainer. Last pack. Oh man, I went. Will it be last pack? Blah, 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 blah. Will it be last pack magic for this deck? For this deck. For this side of the box. Let's find out, shall we? So far, nothing. So far, really nothing. Once again, another lobster, or not lobster, another octopus wearing a hat. Shroomski. I probably killed that pronunciation. Leaf Energy. That's it. Oh, Dragonair. Dragonair is pretty cool, actually. I like that. Alright, so that's it. That's all for that side of that booster box. Hopefully I will have the other half up some point this week. Hopefully. Do not quote me on that. As we see, I am not reliable. So, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a comment. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. That'd be absolutely amazing. And we will see you in the next video. Remember, you're awesome. We'll see you when we see you. Hopefully sooner than later. Enjoy. And remember, share the code cards. They're for well, not for everyone. But yeah, try not to take them all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.